My name is Shyam Desai. My registration number is UR16CS090. Now I'm going to explain the infix to postfix program. Here, these are the header files, and initially the preceding character, I initiate the values of the preceding character. As it is the infix to postfix program, I initialize the infix part and the postfix part. Initially, the length of the infix is formed, which is given by string length of infix, and the stack is formed with the name s. I initial the values in the variables precedence, index, and position, which is initialized with the value 0 and the char symbol. While the index is less than length, the index should be less than length. That is, index is the position of the variable that is to be done in the stack, and the length is this one. The length should be less than index should be less than length symbol, the infix of the index, that is the position, infix position of the value. If the symbol is an open bracket, then it is to be pushed into the stack and the value of the index will be incremented. If the symbol is a closed bracket and while the stack is not empty and the top value of the stack should not be an open bracket, the postfix value is a stop and the position value will be incremented. If the stack is empty, then the pop will be nothing and the index value will be incremented. Now let's go for the precedence of the symbol. If the precedence is equal to 0, the position of the stack postfix will be incremented. Else the value is pushed into the stack. If the value is of the stack is empty and the top value is not equal to open bracket, the precedence of the preceding value, which has a precedence of high precedence, is sent into the stack and will become the top value of the stack. The postfix post plus will be incremented. Else it will be pushed out. While stack is not empty, the postfix value will be incremented and will be popped out. Now the precedence char symbol, switch symbol. Now let's go for the check for the cases which have the high precedence. If the power symbol has a high precedence, so it should be returned first, and the multiplication and the division symbol maintain the equality precedence and it will be returned first. The addition and the subtraction cases have the same precedence, they will be returned later, and if any other else, default. Now let's go for the function calling. The infix value should be in the variables of 20. The infix expression is entered from the user. Cin is the infix and the postfix value is printed out by the loop which was given above, and hence it will return. Rest on this program. I will give the value a plus b star c minus d. The infix value is this one and the postfix value is what we got. Now the evaluation of the postfix value. This is the header file and the stack with the 30 variables is initialized. The top value of the stack will be -1. The character with E is given. The push character C, this is a variable that can be anything. I just use as C. It will be for this is for the push. They should push into the stack and the top value will be incremented, and it will be the top value will be C. For the pop, let's give another variable D. The top value will be -1 and it will return -1. The stack will be decremented. Now int main, in the main function, I gave the values temp1, temp2, temp1 and temp2. The expression should be, I gave the value of the expression for about 20 variables. Enter the expression is to be entered and from the user. While the star e is the pointer, the pointer is not equal to /0. If star p is equal to plus, it will be popped in. The two variables that are in the stack will be popped out and the addition of the value is stored and is given as a result. If it is a subtraction symbol, the two variables that are in the stack in the first will be taken out and the values are stored in a one variable and the value is returned to the stack. If it is a division symbol, as usually, the two variables that are on the first will be on stack will be taken out and will be divided and given the result into the stack. And similarly as to the star value, which gives multiplication of the two variables that are taken out and will be resulted. Now let's run this program. I give the value as 2t plus, which gives the value as 4. Thanks for watching my video.